For today's recipe, you will need cereal, milk, bananas, strawberries, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and your choice of rum. Add 3 tablespoons of butter to the preheated pan. To brown the butter, warm it slowly over low heat until it foams and the milky whiteness starts to caramelize and brown. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and make sure to stir it evenly into the butter. Add the bananas and saute them for about 2 minutes aside. Make sure the banana slices are spread evenly in one layer. They're going to get nice and caramelized on the outside and soft and gooey on the inside. When it's foamy and bubbly, add in 3 tablespoons of rum. This is perfect. They are now fully coated in the sauce. This will elevate caramelized bananas to a whole new level. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the rum has been reduced and nicely absorbed by the bananas. Set this aside to cool. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a preheated pan. Spread it evenly in the pan and cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Add in your mixture of strawberries and coconut sugar. Keep the strawberries distributed evenly in one layer and let the dance of flavors begin. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. It is so important to brown the butter before adding the fruits or sugar. It's such an easy but crucial step. This will transform the butter into something much more complex and elevate it from a background ingredient. So make sure your butter spends some quality time in the pan. Once all the sugar has dissolved, we can add in 3 tablespoons of rum. This is where the magic happens. Continue stirring to make sure everything is coated evenly. Brush down any sugar crystals that may form on the edges of the pan. Continue to cook until the rum has been reduced, about 3 to 4 minutes. The caramelized sugar enhances the sweetness of the strawberries while the rum and brown butter adds body and richness to the sauce. By the time you're done with the strawberries, the butter, sugar, and rum would have been reduced into a beautiful caramel sauce. Well, it's going to be rum-infused bananas for me. On second thought, I'll take the strawberry. Warm, sweet, and sinfully good, rum-infused caramelized fruits are the perfect toppings for your cereal. You can try this recipe with other fruits, like apples or blueberries. You can also swap out rum for brandy. Get creative! Thanks for watching!